Itong house na to, I don't know why there's an noise na hindi ko maipaliwanag. Parang may tao sa loob. Parang may lata na umiikot-ikot. I don't know. Ayan o. Matagal na tong house na to abandoned since I was here in Bahrain, like maybe like 15 years ago, I guess, as per as my colleague, which is been first hired in this company. Grabe siya, guys. Maganda sana siya, kaso naluma na lang. Tagal na niyang abandoned. May naririnig akong sa loob na parang lata na nililipad, ewan ko ba. Kaya napa-video tuloy ako, guys. Matagal na to, itong abandoned, itong bahay na to. Sobrang tagal na. Ewan ko, baka may tao sa loob, I don't know, because wala naman talagang tao dito, naririnig mo ba yan? So ano yun, guys? Ano yun, guys? Ano yun? Ang creepy, nakatakot. Ano yun?